Hi, my name is Kaylee Archuleta and I'm doing my web tutorial on Khan Academy. I'm sure everyone knows what Khan Academy is or have used it, but you might not be familiar with it as a teacher. You can actually create a teacher's account, and with that comes different features. One of them is having this coach's dashboard where you can create classes. You can create as many classes as you want and then add students. One of the first things that you should do if you are not familiar with Khan as a teacher is go to this resource tab here and go to the K through 12 teachers. Here they offer articles on getting started, the content, the different assignments, and then ways to implement them in the classroom. I try to use Khan before I read through these articles, and I was overwhelmed and quickly was lost and didn't really want to use it after that. But through an assignment I had in another class, I read through all these. It took me about an hour or two, but it was worth it because you really get to learn how wonderful this is to use in the classroom. One of the things I learned was this Common Core mapping. If you type in Common Core map in the search bar, this is only offered to teacher accounts, so you have to be logged into your teacher account. But what it is, it offers different questions all organized through Common Core standards. So say if I'm a third grade teacher, I'd click on third grade. Let's say fractions, then I would just come down here and find something I want. So finding one on number line we're working on. I would click this. I can assign it to one class, two classes, how many classes I have, or individual students, and then give it a date to be completed by and assign it. Once I assign it, once the students log in, they'll see that they have an assignment to complete, and they complete it, and then you get the data from that. So you can get it on students or the whole class. Another cool feature on Khan is this the partner content, which Khan collaborated with different museums and organizations to create really fun, engaging activities and lessons for students. One of them is Pixar in a Box. I love Pixar, so I was really drawn to this. Is for 5th through 12th grade. Always when you go through here, any kind of get started, they have um, guides through for educators, and it will always save you time. So I recommend you doing that right away. But overall, I think all teachers should get students familiar with Khan Academy because it's a great resource for them to use, throughout their education. And the best part about it, it's free. So go out and create a teacher account and start using it today.